Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp video call not working. So if you are facing the WhatsApp video call problem, you will not able to make video call with anyone. So you can follow this step, maybe it will solve out your problem. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is strong and your mobile is connected to the internet before making a video call. If your internet is not so strong, you won't make video call with anyone. Other way is that you can go to the Play Store and search for your WhatsApp application and update your mobile application of the WhatsApp. Moreover, go to the settings and go to the apps and the notification, and here you have to look for WhatsApp, and once you will here you have to go to the permission and you have to give permission to all of these options to make your video calls if it is not working. Other way is that go to the storage and cache and click on the clear storage. It will restart your WhatsApp application. So try this step, maybe your video call will start working. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.